of my a little capture of supermarket. Linya. Flooded with people, shoppers here. Today on a day of Monday on episodes to New Year. Number 20. So really many people, shoppers here. Thank you so much. Pwede mo gamiton, sir? Pwede na ako gamit. Wala mo? Salamat. It's so heavy. So heavy. Jam-packed with people who are really in a hurry or having their last minute shopping. Here in supermarket, in CCC supermarket. As you can see, people are here for their shopping. So I'm about to go out here of
enjoy your shopping.
Istanbul. We are
And as to celebrate the most wonderful time of this year, as we are going to give you a very special song titled Most Wonderful Time of the Day.
This is a day of shopping here, December 31, live and alive, Istanbul, Davao. Just captured episodes as I have my thoughts down and experiencing so many people are here. So this is all I have with my postcard. Live and alive here in Vista Mall, Davao City. I am your retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basiluridon. Just capturing the moment, few hours after, or rather before the New Year. Kabuhay, kamabuhay, and kamabuyers. Here it is, my location now. With so many shoppers around. Here in supermarket, NCCC supermarket, New City Commercial Center. Thank you, kamabuhayers, for joining me my a day in Davao City. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life, good person. Happy New Year, everyone! I'm your teacher vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basiluridon. Live and alive, Vista Mall, Davao City, NCCC Supermarket or New City Commercial Center here in Mintal, Davao City. Mabuhay! Until my next vlog.